Here's the unboxing of Destiny the Taken King Collector's Physical Edition. I already took it out of this because it's a pain in the ass. Here's the box. Nice gorgeous artwork. Little tab right here holds your journal and game. We'll start with the game. Back side, front side. Inside, game looks like everything else. PlayStation Plus trial, Destiny the Taken King codes. Set the game aside. Back to the box, has some writing in there. Journal. Treasure Island book. Last word. Armor, whatever. It's a map. More. Here is what I assume is map, coordinates, something like that. And then similar, or the heavy fusion rifle to be released, sleeper simulant. In here, I'm assuming is the rest of our things. Right there on the back, collector's relics and artifacts. Right there. Then we got our beautiful strange coin. Has a sticker on it. Removable film on both sides. Coordinates, where you should have seen before, but these are used to get a special emblem if you looked at more consoles videos, but if not, you get a special emblem that looks like this for your characters. Just go to Destiny or Bungie.com, go to your character, type it in. All together. Hope you enjoy this unboxing video. Thanks. Bye.